primijenit ćemo svu svoju ovlast i mjere i radnje iz djelokruga rada kako bi spriječili organiziranje, planiranje, a nada se i održavanje takvih ilegalnih utrka.
You know what they say? If young Metro don't trust you,
motherfucker, you better run.
Hold on. Pete.
I'm done. I'm done apologizing. I am done being persecuted for my strength. I'm ready.
Tired be a hero, but live long enough to see yourself become a villain.
Soon as you up, these niggas wanna bring you down. The weight of the world sit on my shoulders, hold the ground.